Hey guys, welcome to Truly Cooking. In today's episode, we're gonna cook a special sandwich, one of my favorites, the BLT or BLAT, as we're gonna add some avocado. It's a very simple sandwich that uses very basic ingredients, so don't be scared, just put on your apron, get your tools ready, and let's start cooking. First, we need 150 grams of bacon, 2 tablespoons of mayo, some chili, smoked paprika. Obviously, we're gonna need salt, a little bit, some lime, avocado, 2 ripe tomatoes, lettuce, any green lettuce will do, and bread. Any type of bread will do. Alright, let's start with our mise en place. Let's start slicing our tomatoes into nice, thin, equal slices, making sure we always clean our surface and put these bad boys away. Then we're gonna proceed to the lime, where we're gonna just cut the tips and then cut some small wedges that we're just gonna use for our special sauce. You can use lemons, I would just prefer limes because they're a little bit more sweet. Next, let's go to the avocado. Be very careful when you cut the avocado like this, just you don't cut yourself. Remove the pit. It's pretty simple stuff. Put it away, and then I like to use a spoon to make sure I scoop every single bit of delicious flesh and then thinly slice the avocado. Next, let's make our special sauce. Let's add the mayo to a different bowl, in which we're gonna add a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, approximately half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Those are one of my favorite condiments. Take one of those lime wedges and squeeze it into the newly formed sauce and give it a nice stir. Furthermore, let's complicate our lives totally unnecessarily by just pouring a little bit of olive oil on our delicious bread. I decided to use a rooibos and rye mix just because we want to toast them in a pan. Obviously, you can use your kitchen toaster, which is probably going to be a lot faster, although I don't recommend using any oil if you're going to use the toaster, otherwise there's going to be smoke all over the place. Use a medium-low heat, so we make sure the heat is distributed evenly, as we want to see some nice delicious browning onto our slices of toast, but make sure that you don't burn them. Let's go ahead and add the bacon to the pan, slice by slice, so that way it's distributed evenly, and also making sure that we want to render most of the fat of the bacon, making it super crispy. Hence, I'm using again a medium-low heat. There's nothing worse than having those ugly strings of bacon coming out of your mouth if you're trying to eat it. Make sure it's super crispy by flipping it often and then removing it onto a piece of paper towel. Now that our mise en place is all ready, we can start assembling these bad boys. Let's place the bread on our cutting surface. Start adding the secret sauce. Make sure you go crust to crust, so that way the sauce is distributed evenly. You can go ahead and do it multiple ways. Some people say avocado should always be on the bottom. Some say it should always be on the top. I don't really think it matters. I'm gonna do one slice with the avocado on the bottom and the other one on the top. Start layering every single ingredient, your tomatoes, your nice crispy bacon. Make sure you add the lettuce and make it as springy as possible, so that way you have a nice level when you start assembling your sandwich. Go ahead and place the remaining pieces of toast. Gently pat your newly formed sandwiches just to make sure that all the ingredients get to know each other. And now slowly crust cut through the center of your sandwiches so that it's easier to eat, but also look super appetizing. Just place them on any type of plate and make sure it gives some to your family, your girlfriend, your wife, or whatever. And lo and behold, one of my most favorite sandwiches, the BLAT. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.